Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Protaper handlebars is probably one of the most crucial components for any rider looking to enhance their control, comfort, and overall riding experience, offering a significant upgrade over stock setups and allowing for a more personalized fit and feel that can make a world of difference on the trail or track. Number 5. Protaper SE Series 7/8 Standard Handlebars. Introducing the Protaper SE Series 7/8 Standard Handlebars. Experience the pinnacle of 7/8 handlebar innovation. These handlebars represent the absolute latest in design technology. They are engineered for superior performance and control. Featuring the CR high bend, they offer an optimal riding position for many riders. Get the comfort and leverage you need. Finished in a sleek jet black, they add a touch of style to your ride. The durable coating ensures a lasting look. Designed to fit standard 7/8 mounts, installation is straightforward. Enjoy a perfect fit for your motorcycle. Crafted with precision, these handlebars deliver exceptional durability. Trust in Protaper for quality you can rely on. What we like. This handlebar represents the pinnacle of 7/8 handlebar technology. If you're seeking a classic and reliable setup, this is the one. It's designed for riders who appreciate proven performance and a standard fit. What people say. These bars are made from high-strength 7000 series aluminum alloy. The knurled pattern on the clutch side ensures a secure grip. The 5 mm thickness provides excellent durability and resistance to bending. Number 4. Protaper SE Series 7/8 Standard Handlebars. Introducing the Protaper SE Series 7/8 Standard Handlebars. Engineered for superior performance and durability. Crafted from high-strength 2014 T6 aerospace aluminum alloy, it offers ultimate strength of 70,000 psi. This ensures it can withstand demanding conditions. Featuring 14-inch cut guides, you can easily customize it to perfectly fit your specific needs. Achieve the precise fit you desire. The knurled clutch side provides a secure grip, enhancing your control and stability. Ride with confidence and precision. Its shot peen finish significantly increases fatigue life for enhanced longevity. Enjoy long-lasting performance ride after ride. With a full 5 mm wall thickness and a cold-forged crossbar, it delivers unmatched strength and durability. This handlebar is built to endure. What we like. Engineered with aerospace-grade aluminum, it offers exceptional strength and precise customization options. The knurled clutch side ensures a secure grip, enhancing control. If you need a durable bar that can be tailored to your exact preferences and demand maximum stability, this is your choice. What people say. The Protaper handlebars are a great upgrade for off-road riding, offering improved control and comfort. These handlebars are made from high-quality aluminum, making them durable and lightweight. The design of the Protaper handlebars allows for a wider range of motion, providing better maneuverability in tight spaces. Number 3. Protaper Sport 855-896 Handlebars. Introducing the Protaper Sport 855-896 Handlebars. Engineered for superior performance and durability. Crafted from aerospace-grade 6061 T6 aluminum, these handlebars offer exceptional strength. A shot peen finish is applied to further enhance its durability and resistance to fatigue. Featuring an ATV band, they are designed for optimal control and comfort during your ride. The sleek black finish not only looks great but also provides a protective layer. These handlebars are built to withstand the rigors of off-road adventures, ensuring reliability. What we like. Constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum with a shot peen finish for superior durability. This handlebar is built to withstand demanding conditions. If you prioritize robust construction and long-lasting performance in a sport-oriented bend, consider this option. What people say. The handlebars are made of high-strength aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and resistance to bending. The knurled center section provides excellent grip for the handlebar clamps, preventing slippage during intense riding. The crossbar design adds rigidity and strength, helping to absorb vibrations and reduce rider fatigue. Number 2. Protaper SE Handlebar Jet Black. Introducing the Protaper SE Handlebar in Jet Black. Experience superior control and comfort with its advanced design. Crafted for riders who demand the best. This handlebar offers exceptional durability and responsiveness for your off-road adventures. The sleek jet black finish not only looks aggressive but also provides a protective layer against the elements. Specifically designed to fit your KLX 110 or DRZ 110. Enjoy a seamless installation and an optimized riding position. Protaper is known for its commitment to quality. You can trust this handlebar to perform under the toughest conditions. Elevate your riding experience with the Protaper SE Handlebar. It's the perfect upgrade for any serious rider. What we like. Designed for specific models, this handlebar offers a direct and reliable upgrade. Its durable construction ensures it can handle the rigors of riding. If you own a KLX 110 or DRZ 110 and want a high-quality, no-fuss handlebar replacement, this is an excellent fit. What people say. The Protaper handlebars are known for their excellent build quality and durability, making them a reliable choice for off-road riding. The design of Protaper handlebars offers improved ergonomics, providing a comfortable riding position and reducing fatigue during long rides. Many riders appreciate the precise control and responsiveness that Protaper handlebars provide, enhancing the overall riding experience. Number 1. Protaper Tall Bar Kit for Honda CRF 50F. Elevate your riding experience with this premium bar kit. Designed specifically for your Honda CRF 50F, it offers a noticeable height advantage. Experience the renowned quality of Protaper. These bars are built to last and provide superior control for your off-road adventures. The taller bars provide a more comfortable riding position, reducing strain on your back and arms. Enjoy better maneuverability and precision. This kit includes everything you need for a straightforward installation. Upgrade your bike's ergonomics in no time. Featuring a sleek black finish, this kit not only performs exceptionally but also enhances the aesthetic of your CRF 50F. The included adjustable triple clamps allow for fine-tuning your handlebar position. Achieve the perfect setup for your riding style. What we like. This kit provides taller Protaper bars and adjustable triple clamps for a complete setup. It's ideal for riders seeking an improved riding position and enhanced ergonomics. If you're looking to gain comfort and adjustability on your CRF 50F, this integrated solution is perfect. What people say. The Protaper handlebars are known for their excellent build quality and durability, making them a reliable choice for off-road riding. Their ergonomic design provides a comfortable riding position, reducing fatigue on long rides and improving control. Protaper handlebars offer a good balance of stiffness and flex, which helps absorb vibrations and impacts from rough terrain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.